Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my Archer and Olive. This was in a collaboration with Amy Tangerine, which you can see there in the front. And this is different than the regular notebooks because this actually has a vertical planning layout. So this is what I use for work. And this week, because I have to, because they're so pretty, I'm going to be using watercolor florals mixed with some of this neutral alcohol ink and some of this washi, because I'm all into washi at the moment. Maybe bring some of this in, maybe bring some of this in, I don't know. We will see. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be doing here is actually whiting out the days of the week. I do want to hand letter those in. There we go. And I will white out Saturday and Sunday because that's what I use for notes. And I'm thinking what would be the best way to letter it in, and I think I'll do something similar to what I did here with the black, or what other color of, where are those markers? So I'm gonna go in with my Tombow dual brush pen to write in the days of the week. So that's the 12th, so this is the 19th. Then go over it with my Tombow Fudenosuke Gray with the actual days of the week. All right, I actually really like the effect of that. So now I'm thinking, what am I gonna do for writing the meetings underneath? I do have the gray and I do have this pink. I'm trying to think if there's better ways to do this. Okay, so I'm thinking maybe before I even go in and add some writing, I'm going to add a little floral here. And then maybe one here. Yeah. Actually, before I do that, I think I might use this big one. Oh no, I ripped it. Oh, I did that last week. And place this up here where it says notes. And I think I can fix that. Perfect. And then I'm going to have to open one of these washi because they're so pretty, which would, actually I'll go with a gray. So then I'll take some of this gray hexagon washi, which is gorgeous. And I love that her washi is, I don't need to, it's not on any backing tape or anything. I can just easily rip it like this. Oh, actually, down here. I'm going to move that because it's not straight. Oh my god, I love it. And then I might put a tiny one of this floral, if I can find the end of it. Oh my gosh, this one's going to be so fun to use. Just a little. Actually, no, that looks awkward. I won't put that there yet. I'm going to think about where to place that. So now I'm gonna go in and just thinking what the best thing would be. Probably use this and then use my black Tombow Fudenosuke to write in the word meetings. So now that the functional part of the spread is pretty much done, I can start going in with some of this gorgeous alcohol ink that looks like, that once you get it on the page, it looks like it was supposed to be there. So I'm trying to mix the two as well. So let's see. I'm gonna place this one in this corner up here. And I'm going to place it with a bit of this. And then I'm going to also place it with a bit of that gray hexagon washi because why not? They're so pretty. And I love that they're the different widths. You've got the 15mm and then the 10mm. Both gorgeous. I mean, look at that. Cannot argue with how pretty that is. So then I feel like if I just place this here, like it looks like it was meant to be there. And then I'm going to place this big one just right in the corner and take some of the gray washi, if I can pull that apart. Actually, I'll put the gray washi on top. I like having the floral washi at the bottom, then the gray on the top. Oh my goodness. Hello, how gorgeous is that? And then I am saving these for other spreads. So one more thing I feel like I need to add is even just a little bit of washi up here because it feels so, I don't know, empty. Or even a little bit of washi going across the page there would be perfect. And then I'm gonna write in my actual meetings and then I am done. Like this, my work spread, I remember my hourly vertical used to take me quite a bit of time because of having to decorate and do the meetings and everything, and I felt like it was just a lot. Whereas this now, it just feels fun. It feels fun to do a spread in my Archer and Olive, and it has been so functional for me. And it's just a great size for work. I think I'm done. I don't really want to add anything else to that because it is, I just want to keep it simple. All right. So pretty. So the washi and the stickers are from According to Allie, and they just go so well with my Tombows and Mildliners. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.